Welcome to this video, where I'll share effective methods for harnessing the power of frankincense essential oil. Among countless options, frankincense stands out due to its rich history and diverse health benefits. Linked to immunity, inflammation, and even cancer support, it's a remarkable choice. In this video, we'll explore its origins, delve into its benefits, and learn about specific types like Boswellia fragrana, Boswellia carteri, and Boswellia sacra. Join me on this journey into the world of frankincense's potential. Let's now explore the myriad benefits of frankincense. 1. Anti-cancer properties. Contemporary research highlights a predominant benefit of frankincense, its potential in combating cancer. Rich in alpha-pinene, frankincense exhibits antiseptic properties and displays promising outcomes against cancer cells in laboratory studies. While not a panacea, it can be a supplementary strategy alongside other treatments in the battle against cancer. Notably, frankincense oil has demonstrated efficacy in addressing skin cancer, making it a potential adjunctive treatment for such conditions. 2. Skin health enhancement. Frankincense is a potent ally in skincare. From acne to scars and from stretch marks to redness, its efficacy in promoting even skin tone is impressive. Age spots, sunspots, and various skin issues can be mitigated with the application of frankincense oil. Its role in maintaining youthful skin, as well as reducing inflammation, positions it as a remarkable essential oil for skincare. 3. Anti-inflammatory power. Among its many virtues, frankincense's ability to curb inflammation, particularly in joints, is a standout feature. If you suffer from swollen joints or any skin inflammation issues, incorporating frankincense into your routine can provide relief. Utilizing frankincense. When incorporating frankincense into your regimen, topical application reigns supreme. Applying 2 to 4 drops directly to problematic areas, or mixing it with carrier oils like shea butter, jojoba oil, or coconut oil can yield optimal results. Additionally, consuming therapeutic-grade and approved organic frankincense is safe in controlled quantities. Ingesting a couple of drops by placing them on your thumb's tip and applying them to the roof of your mouth offers an internal approach. Alternatively, encapsulated frankincense can naturally combat inflammation in your body. Expanding benefits and usage. Frankincense's versatility extends to various applications beyond those discussed. 1. Boosting the immune system. Applying a few drops to the lymph nodes on the neck naturally fortifies your immune system, providing protection against bacterial threats and potential colds or flu. 2. Spiritual and mental wellness. Frankincense's aroma holds significance in meditation and prayer. Its soothing fragrance aids concentration, spirituality, and mental clarity, making it a staple in practices such as meditation and prayer. 3. Overall well-being. Integrating frankincense into your daily routine contributes to holistic health. Applying it during yoga sessions, or combining it with moments of gratitude and introspection amplifies its benefits. In conclusion, frankincense oil is truly exceptional. Its diverse array of advantages, coupled with its historical and spiritual significance, positions it as a cornerstone of wellness. Remember, when uncertain, turn to frankincense, the versatile, potent essential oil that has stood the test of time. For further insights into the remarkable world of essential oils, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.